Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with Master Code Online. I'd like to know how I'm doing with these tutorials. If you guys could leave a comment below and let me know how we're doing here so I can improve on these tutorials. Alright, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to take a look at list concatenation in Python. And basically what list concatenation is just like string concatenation we looked at in the prior tutorial. We're just going to combine these lists. Alright, so let's create a couple lists. A is equal to and square brackets, and let's do 1, 2, and 3. Close out of square brackets. There's our list. Call the list. All right. Let's go ahead and do another list. Let's do B is equal to, and this list is going to have 4, 5, and 6 in square brackets. And let's go ahead and combine them by concatenating. We use the plus symbol, A plus B. And we hit return, and there we go. We got a combined list. We concatenated list. Let's go ahead and take a look at another example. Let's create a new list. C is equal to, and let's do 3, 2, 1, square brackets. And let's go ahead and combine A plus C. All right. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, how about if we want to save this to memory or make this an object? Let's do D is equal to A plus C and call D, and now we got a new list object. So there you go. That is basically list concatenation in Python. Very simple. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial.